Hello everyone and welcome. I've had a little annoying problem with my Audi 200 since the day that I've got it in my hands, and for some unexplainable reason I haven't repaired it ever since. My Audi's hood struts are dead. They don't hold the hood like they should, and because of that I always use some kind of metal pipe or metal rail to hold it when I needed to keep it up, thus damaging the fabric hood cover in the long run. But at least it was already damaged by some kind of small rodent. But today this is going to change. I'll finally replace my dead hood struts with brand new ones, and I'll show you how to do the same repair yourself, in case you have the same problem and can't find the will to do it. And for this easy repair, all the tools that you'll need are flathead screwdriver, or two. That will make your work a little bit easier. You'll need to unclip the top clip from the strut, place it where you won't lose it, then take the bottom clip out. This one is slightly trickier to take off, but it's fairly easy to do with two flathead screwdrivers. When the both clips are removed, you can take out the whole strut, but make sure that the hood is being held by a friend or some kind of stick for your safety. Then you can insert your new hood strut. And you're done with one side. Now go to the other side and do the same thing. And when you're done, you can appreciate how easy that was and how cheap for such a useful repair it is. I'm just sad that I didn't do this repair a lot sooner, because it took only few minutes and 22 euros in total cost for both struts. Now I will need to replace this beaten up wood fabric with better one that is living in my garage for over 2 years. Maybe I'll make a short video on that replacement also, so make sure to subscribe to my channel and help me reach my goal of 5,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day. Bye!